Hi, Serinda Jones here, and I have this amazing course that I want to share with you, a 3-day course with Curious Mondo, of course, and it's all about glass pattern bars. What are glass pattern bars? Well, they are basically a brick of glass that you're making in a dammed frame, and then you take a tile saw and you cut them, and then you fillet them open like a butterfly, if you will. So let me go over some of the things that we're going to learn. There's so much here and more, but let's talk about like day one. We go through basic tack fuse pattern bars where you can cut on the tile saw. Then we go into a crosshatch, which this is one of my most famous things that I've done for commissions, so happy to share that with you. Then we go into basically it's a Rorschach where you put the two tiles together to do that butterfly that I was just talking about. Then we go into windows. Oh my gosh, there's so much you can do with windows in glass. It is amazing. Then day 3, we go into stringers and how to put those on edge. It is so amazing. Then we have different kinds of molds to make pattern bars. So it is, we have a triangle shape, which I do 4 different pattern bars with a triangle, 5 actually. And then we go into a hexagon shape, and I have 5 different pattern bars to share with you on that. Then we do a couple of different creative things and an angled pattern bar, which gives you some amazing flower type shapes. I really hope that you can join me in this class. It's like kaleidoscope dreams, and you'll be dreaming in kaleidoscope colors. All right, see you soon.